Hello friends, welcome back to Vocab Builder.
Our today's word is inexorable. Inexorable means impossible to stop, prevent, or persuade. When something is inexorable, no amount of pleading, negotiation, or effort can change its course. It's unstoppable. This could describe forces of nature, time, or even a determined person. Synonyms: unstoppable, relentless, inevitable. Antonyms: flexible, yielding, preventable. Let's see some examples. The inexorable march of time spares no one. Despite protests, the government moved forward with inexorable determination. Technology's inexorable advancement is reshaping the world. Here's a short paragraph that will make the meaning crystal clear. The storm's inexorable winds battered the fragile coastline, tearing through homes, uprooting ancient trees, and shattering every human attempt to resist its wrath, as if nature itself had declared an unstoppable war. Now, type your own sentence with inexorable in the comments, and follow Vocab Builder for more powerful, rare, and impressive words that can transform your English into something extraordinary.